Hello and welcome to yet another recovered video. Have you ever found yourself puzzled by the sudden disappearance of the D drive on your Windows system? Well, actually that's pretty common amongst Windows users. This problem, while frequent, can be quite surprising and often happens at the same time as recent updates on Windows 10 or 11. The D drive is important for storing local information, and it holds things like memories, software files, system files that all are needed to keep your device running smoothly. And that's precisely what I'll be showing you today, a step-by-step guide on solving the mysterious case of the missing D drive. I'm yours, Sherlock Holmes, or a copycat that's not as exciting and fun and yeah. If you find this content useful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, drop a comment below, and interact with us. We always respond to comments and we want to know if your issue has been solved or not. And if not, we'll try to help you as much as possible. If you have not been using Windows for a long time, this can be an unsettling experience, especially if you don't know the reasonings behind it. It can be very frustrating. I will now show you the top reasons behind the occurrence of the D drive missing error. Reason number 1, drive letter conflict with CD/DVD drive. One of the main reasons is a conflict in drive letters, because usually the CD or DVD drive that is used for updates may have the same letter as the D drive. Reason number 2, system changes post Windows update. After updating Windows 10 or 11, you may observe that the D drive is no longer present. Reason number 3, accidental deletion or formatting. Reason number 4, hidden D drive. Understanding these reasons is the first step towards solving the problem. And now that you know the top causes of this issue, I will now show you ways to fix this issue. Method 1, assign D drive letter to the partition via SMD. Assigning D drive letter to the partition using SMD can help you fix this issue by using this method that I'm about to show you.
And to do this, you first click on the start button, then you should type CMD and right click on command prompt from the search results. A lot of options will come up, so what you need to do is from there is to select run as administrator. Once the command prompt opens, type disk part and press enter. Then type list volume and press enter. You will see a list of all volumes on your computer. Locate the volume that does not have a drive letter, which is your missing D drive. It might be recognized by its size. Then type select volume X, replacing X with the volume number. At last, type assign letter equals D and press enter. Now close command prompt.
Method 2, rescan disks. Even though the issue kinda looks complex, trust me that sometimes simply rescanning your disk can do the magic. Now to rescan your disk, you should...
Let's click on the start button and type disk management into the search box and select it from the results. In the disk management window, click on the actions menu at the top and from the drop-down, select rescan disks.
Method 3, restore your computer to a previous point. If you had recently done an upgrade to your system, it can make the issue pop up out of nowhere. So all you need to do is try rebooting or returning your system to a previous point and hope it works. Here's how you can go about that.
Let's click on the start button and type system restore and select create a restore point from the results. Now navigate to system protection and in system properties window, go to the system protection tab. Now click on the system restore button and choose a restore point and follow the prompt. Now click next and then finish. Confirm any prompts.
Method 4, make the hidden drives show. Sometimes, maybe for privacy, you may hide some drives on your system. And while it brings you some privacy, it may also cost you by making your system misbehave. If you suspect that those hidden drives might be the problem to why your system is misbehaving, making them show might fix the problem. So here's how you make the hidden drives show.
Let's click on the Start button and type Disk Management into the search box and select it from the results. Now locate Hidden Drive, and in the lower section of the Disk Management window, find any drives without letters, which they may appear grayed out. Now assign a drive letter and right-click on the hidden drive and choose Change Drive Letter and Paths, and then click Add and assign a drive letter.
Method 5. Update the disk driver. This should be a known fact. If your drivers are outdated, they will come with a pack of problems, and the only way out is to update your drivers. So here's how you can do it.
Let's click on the Start button and type Device Manager into the search box and select it from the results. Now find and update the drive.
By following these methods, you should no longer be dealing with the D drive suddenly missing issues. And if you need more clarity, please feel free to use the comment section below to ask for anything, and we'll try our best to respond to you as soon as possible. Before you go, please do not forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss on any future videos we have in store for you. And see you in the next one.